Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to convert fraction to percent. For you to convert fraction to percent, we are going to consider 2 over 10. Let's consider the denominator. Let's make this denominator over 100. We are going to think of a number. If you multiply this 10, you will get 100. Let's say the number is 2 times the number all over 10 times a number will get 100. You can say times 10 will get 100. You can put this 10 in both numerator and denominator. Here you can have 2 times 10 is 20. All over 10 times 10 here is 100. Therefore, you have 20 all over 100. 20 all over 100 is same thing as 20%. Okay, this is how you can convert a fraction into percent as simple as this. I'll give you to simplify this, half this fraction into percent, and put the answer in the comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates. Bye bye.